So you're doing 30K months right now. Sometimes you're doing 50, but you're working 60 hours a week and you cannot break past 100K no matter what you try. I'm gonna tell you exactly what's stopping you in this video, and it's not what you think. What's going on, y'all? I'm Steven Johnson. I'm the co-founder of Rich From Anywhere. And over the last 9 years, we've helped thousands of entrepreneurs scale their business. And I can tell you this right now, that 30K to 50K range is where most people get stuck. Now, here's what it looks like. You've got this proven offer, you're making decent money, you've tried running more ads, you've tried hiring more people, you're even launching new products, but nothing pushes you past that ceiling. And here's the worst part. Everyone tells you the same generic advice. Oh, just scale your ads, just hire a better team, just optimize your funnel. But none of that works because they're all looking in the wrong place. The bottleneck, honestly, it's not your offer, it's not your ads, it's not the funnel. The real bottleneck is actually you. And in the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly what that means and more importantly, how to fix it. Now, here's what your typical week looks like. Monday morning, you're on sales calls. Tuesday afternoon, you're on 3 more sales calls. Wednesday, this is when you're delivering to clients. And on Thursday, this is the only time that you actually have to create some content and start running ads. And then Friday, you're back on more sales calls. Then somewhere in between that, you have to manage a team, you have to handle all the operations, and you have to try not to lose your mind. Does this sound familiar to you? If so, here's the problem. It's you. You on every sales call, you delivering your program to clients, you running all the marketing. You've built a business that requires you to be present in every critical moment, and that's the ceiling, and that's why you can't break past it. Because here's the real math behind it. If you can only do 15 sales calls per week, and you close 20% of them, that's 3 clients per week, and let's say you close them at 3K per client. That's 36K per month, but here's the thing. You cannot do any more than that. There's not enough hours in a day. So you think, okay, let me raise my price from 3K to 6K. That's cool, now you're at 72K a month, but your close rate drops. And because of that, you still can only take 15 calls a week, so now you're back at 36K. And here's the other issue. You try and hire a sales closer, but no one closes like you. They don't understand your offer the way you do. It's not really their baby, so they don't have the same conviction that you do. So your close rate tanks, you fire them, now you're back at the same position. Now, this is what I call the operator trap. You become so good at operating the business that you cannot get out of the business. And as long as you are the bottleneck, your income is gonna be capped by your calendar, and I wanna get you out of that. So here's the answer. Stop trying to do more and start building leverage. The businesses that we see break through this ceiling do these 3 things. First, they stop selling one-to-one, and they move to one-to-many. Instead of 15 sales calls a week, they run a webinar, and on a webinar, you can sell to 100 people at the same time with the same effort. Second, they build systems that do not require them. They create automated conversion events, they create webinars, challenges, email sequences that build trust, and it also pre-sells the prospect. So what's gonna happen because of this is you're gonna get on the phone with less people, but these people are gonna be so much more qualified. They're gonna be 80% sold before you even get on the phone with them. And that's the beauty of these systems. And number 3, this is the big one. They build an in-house team instead of hiring an agency that's juggling 50 clients. They don't hire freelancers who disappear. They find a dedicated operator that actually runs their marketing for them and is powered by AI. This will allow you to multiply your output. So here's what that looks like in your business. You're still gonna be running paid ads, but instead of driving cold traffic to sales calls, you're gonna drive them into a webinar or a challenge, and you're gonna let that live event do the heavy lifting, okay? It's gonna educate them, it's gonna pre-qualify them, and only the serious ones book the call. The reason why is because if they spend an hour with you on a live training, on a live webinar, you're gonna remove those people who know that it's not for them, but you're gonna attract those people who trusted you a little bit, and you're gonna build that trust to a whole lot of trust so that by the time you get on the phone with these people, they're gonna know that you can help them. And by the time you're done with the webinar, now your calendar isn't packed with 15 different people who had no interest in your stuff anyway. They're not gonna waste your time. Instead, it has 5 quality people who are qualified, who already took the time to go through your live training so they know that this is something that they want. And as a result, your close rate shoots up to 50%. And now your revenue doubles without you having to work more. And the coolest part about this whole thing is because now you have an in-house operator that's running the ads and managing the webinar funnel and optimizing the systems for you, it starts to compound every single month instead of starting from scratch like you used to or when you're hiring in an agency. All right, so here's some real proof that this system actually works. I have a student named Clay. We actually interviewed him on this YouTube channel. I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below so you can check it out. We installed a system into Clay's existing business. So Clay was already someone who had an existing business that was doing pretty well, but he was having trouble scaling his business and he felt like there was not enough hours for him to get all the things done that he needed to get done. So we came in, we installed this system into his business, which created leverage for his business. Started running ads more effectively, which gave him more leverage instead of dealing with word of mouth. Installed a webinar system into his business, which allowed him to build trust with his clients before anyone got on the phone. And as a result of that, Clay is generating close to 6 figures a month. And again, you can watch that video down below. I'll go ahead and link it. The interview is amazing. So here's the real bottom line. If you're stuck at 30K, 50K, even 100K a month, the problem is not your offer. The problem isn't your ads. It's not your funnel. The problem is you. You are the bottleneck. You're doing too much work. You're doing too many one-on-one calls instead of the one-to-many model that I've talked about in this training. And because of that, your business is failing you. The only way through this is with leverage. Build conversion systems while you sleep. We make money while we sleep simply because we have these systems in place. Our clients make money while they sleep because they have these systems in place. So that's how you break the ceiling. That's how you start building a real business instead of some high-paying job, okay? So if you want to learn more about this and you want to install this inside of your business, we actually have programs that you can join and apply to work with us to see if you're a good fit. Go ahead and click the link below to apply to join our mentorship program so that we can install this into your business, all right? Now, with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, share it with an entrepreneur who needs this help. Feel free to subscribe to us and like this video as well, and we will see you in the next one. Peace and love, guys.